Okay, everyone, if you're watching this video, remember you only have 9 school days until our practice final on 13 December. And I'm hoping to give you some extra credit. All you have to do is take notes, and when you turn it in tomorrow, you get extra credit. So we're going to focus on arithmetic and geometric sequences here. So let's look at the first problem here. And notice how it's adding 9 each time. Each time we're doing a plus 9, right? Well, if we're doing a plus 9, that means our common difference, as we call it, is 9. Or the slope of this is actually a linear relationship, because this one's arithmetic whenever you're just adding or subtracting, okay? But I'm just going to do it the quicker way, and hopefully for those of you that know how to use y equals mx plus b method, you already know what you're doing. But I'm going to do it the quicker way I focused on earlier today. So I know the general formula for any arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, the common difference. In our case, a sub n is going to equal, what is our first number? That's a sub 1, you see? Well, a sub 1 is 40, plus n minus 1, and we just figured out that our common difference is 9. And right there, guys, is the formula we need. So, if they want a sub 26, a sub 26, all I have to do is plug in 26 for n. So a sub 26 is going to be 40 plus 26 minus 1 right here is 25 times 9. And 25 times 9. And remember, guys, use your calculator, okay? I don't want to stop you from using your calculator. You know I encourage it. But that's 225. So 40 plus 225 is simply 265. So what we just figured out is A26. The 26th number in the sequence is 265. And the first number is your first, second number is A2, the third number is A3, and so on. And we just figured out what the 26th number in this series is. So pause the video if you need to. Okay, what about this one here? Well, using the same formula, because if you notice, each time I'm adding 4. Or, stand corrected. Can't believe I almost messed up there. But notice how each time I'm actually minusing 4. So this time my d, my common difference, is negative 4. So going to my formula, a sub n, I know it's always the first number. Do you agree? The first number is 11 plus n minus 1 times our common difference, negative 4. They want A33. So what is A33? Well, it's going to be 11 plus, let's put in 33 right there, and we'll have 32 times negative 4. And again, here's where I hope you use your calculator if you need to. But we have 11 plus, and here, that's negative 128. And 11 plus negative 128, again, please use your calculator, is negative 117. Pause the video if you need to. Okay. So, if you look at number 3 here, this one's a different problem. Because if you look at how the numbers are changing, this time I'm changing by a ratio of 4. Now, whenever I multiply, in this case by 4, guys, that 4 is what we call R, our common ratio. And what we have here is a geometric sequence. So geometric is multiply. This one where we added, or in this case subtracted, was arithmetic. So arithmetic or arithmetic is adding or subtracting. Multiplying and dividing is geometric. But anyways, here's a general form for geometric. You definitely want to write this down. It's going to help you on tomorrow's quiz. But a sub n is always going to be the first number, a sub 1 as we call it, times the ratio to the n minus 1 power. So in our case, a sub 10 equals a sub 1, do you agree the first number is negative 2, times r, I'll put it in parentheses, 4 to the n minus 1. And we're, of course, going to also plug in the 10 there, right? So 10 minus 1 means we have negative 2 times 4 to the 9 power. So this is going to be a big number. So, guys, when I do 4 to the 9, that's 262,144. Again, I use the calculator. I'm going to times that by negative 2. And I'm going to get a negative. Be careful with your signs. A negative times a positive is always a negative, right? So I'm going to get a negative 2 there times 262. And what I'm going to get actually is negative 524,288, or negative 524,288. And that, guys, is the 10th number in this pattern. Okay? So anyways, I'll just stop it here, guys. I hope you take good notes. I'll see you in class tomorrow. And hopefully you took advantage of getting this extra credit. See you tomorrow.